sight. Everywhere, the greatest enthusiasm surrounds the royal visitors. And now meet Mrs. Ann Budd at Southampton. It's her 93rd birthday, but the little old lady is right up to the minute in her ideas. To celebrate her anniversary, she goes for a flight, for despite her advanced age, she enjoys speed. Mrs. Budd then inspects the Queen Mary, strolling on the deck of the giant liner. But evidently finding this too slow for her liking, she rounds off the celebration with a trip in a speedboat. Not bad for 93. A very different celebration is the festival of the Kumbh in India.